Their jobs these days, some homeowners are worried about paying their mortgages. The governor also has instructed banks and credit unions to offer some relief with a 90-day grace period. Our chief capital reporter, Susan RAFF, breaks it down and how this is being done. She's live in West Hartford with that tonight. Susan?
Dennis, the unemployment situation in our state is terrible and many people are losing their jobs, but the bills keep coming in. This announcement will help many families because the coronavirus is putting a financial squeeze on many. The coronavirus has not only created health concerns, but is taking a huge toll on people's finances. Businesses everywhere are shut down, and more than 100,000 Connecticut residents have lost their jobs. Families are struggling to pay monthly expenses, but help is on the way.
If you have a mortgage, and you were a barbershop worker, restaurant worker, any worker, and you were laid off or furlough, or your income has changed, you're to call your financial institution or your mortgage servicer and let them know that you have been impacted by COVID-19, and they will work with you.
Governor Lamont is calling on banks and credit unions to give a 3-month grace period.
Credit unions were created by law in 1934 to help people dig out of a hard time.
That was following the Great Depression. Now credit unions and banks are being called upon to give customers affected by the coronavirus a break. At this point, 62 financial institutions have agreed and have signed off on a 90-day grace period for mortgage payments. This doesn't mean, however, that you don't have to pay it back. Bruce Adams is the president of the Credit Union League of Connecticut, which has about 70 members. He says each person has different circumstances.
Sometimes you might just need a month or two because you've got something in the works. Sometimes maybe you've been furloughed and you know you're going to get your job back.
This agreement will help many families, but what happens after that grace period and you still don't have your job? What happens then? What do you have to pay and how much? We'll have some answers coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, plus more help with insurance premiums. We're live in West Hartford. Susan RAFF, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Susan.